plane. We can spend $500,000 on robotics for a soldier, or all of them, or it'll develop. It'll help all people that have disabilities. Helping one helps them all. I have an idea on clean energy. I've repeated it on a different commercial. It's in Clean Energy David Formal, DAVIDFORMHALS, Clean Energy, and you two are the same place this will be. You can look it up, and I missay it every time I say it, but it's contained of air. You'd use oil. You let the oil get under these containers of air, and they'd be buoyant, and they'd go up. You have rings around it that slide down where the oil couldn't get under them, and it'd no longer be buoyant. They would want to go down, but they wouldn't. But you'd use the rising air to pull the air that couldn't get the oil on them down. You'd at the bottom, you'd have spaces, and it'd work. So when the air went up, it'd leave a void at the bottom, where when it went down, it'd need a void. And vice versa, when it went up, it'd do back and forth. And I think you get energy out of rising air to run a generator and power the whole country with gravity. And being we wouldn't be using this oil for gas, and we wouldn't be burning this oil in the home, eventually you'd use all this oil you wouldn't be using in these containers. And you'd do away with the coal we're burning, and do away with burning oil in the homes, and do away with burning gas in the car, because the oil we use to make gasoline out of, you'd put in these containers to power the air. But it's in Clean Energy, and if you look it up, Clean Energy David Farmhouse. Okay, it's 15 minutes, and that's about the limit of what I can record. Doctors is $700 an hour, and their traffic controller might be $400 or $500 an hour. A nurse might be $400 or $500 an hour. Depending on your education, that's what you get paid, and you get paid to go to college to get an education. And, the higher education